Hey, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I'm Kevin, and today it's a nice sunny day. It's a little breezy, so it's a little cold. So if it wasn't, I could probably go without wearing my jacket. It's that nice. Anyway, today I'm going to do a smoked chuck roast steak. I say steak because, you know, trying to find a roast at the store is difficult these days. So I got a nice thick steak. Let's get inside, get it prepared. We'll come back out. We'll get it on a smoker. Okay, so for my chuck steak, I'm going to use some SPG. It does have a little jalapeno salt in it. And I'm going to use smoked jalapeno salt that I made. This stuff is awesome on beef. Makes a great bark on all meat. Just want to get some of that on there, pat it in. I'm going to flip this over. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to put the SPG. We're going to put the smoked jalapeno salt. And then once we got it all coated, I have to tie this up. Now that it's tied up, let's take it on out to the grill. Okay, just like that, here it is. Nice thick steak. Got it all trussed up. And now, the way I'm gonna do this today is on my Roto-Tisserie. I've got it all wound up, ready to go. I'm gonna do it in my Pit Boss Pro Series 1100. So let's get this on the Rotisserie, get it in the smoker, and let it roll. I'm expecting this is probably gonna take, geez, I don't even know, 5-6 hours maybe. We'll see. We'll keep it temp with our MeatStick. I'm going to put the MeatStick X in it because it works incredible with a rotisserie. So that's what we're going to do. Let's get this on the rotisserie and get it going. Okay. Here's our roast. Here's our spit for the Roto-Tisserie. It's going to need a little force to get through this, but we can do it. Okay, we got our skewer through there. Put the end on it. Just like that. Slide it back a little bit. Okay, let's get this on the Roto-Tisserie. Just like that. Spin. Spin it like that. The Roto-Tisserie isn't a super fast spinning rotisserie, but it does a great job. It does a great job inside the pellet smokers. I already have this all wound up, so let's get this thing in. Well, let me get my meat stick in first. Okay, I've got the meat stick here. I've already got it connected on my phone. It connects really quick and easy. Just gonna take this off of here and we'll stick it in. Let me just stick it in right through here. Let's see. Let me stick it in through here. Okay, stick it all the way in. Taking temp right around in here. We'll get this in the smoker. Okay, we're gonna put our roast right here, our stick. Okay, turn it on. We're ready to go. I'm gonna set my MeatStick charger, which controls the Wi-Fi, right here, right next to it. Again, that's magnetic. I'll show you here. That's magnetic, and you want to have it, you know, somewhat close to it. It can be, I don't know, it can probably be up to 2 or 3 feet, but it's best to have it as close as possible. All right, we're going to close this down. We're going to keep track of the temperature, and we probably won't see you for a while. Well, I won't see that for a while. We'll be back. I'm a little over an hour in. It's reading 110 internal, and I set my alarm to come out and wind this thing up. It is the Roto-Tisserie. Okay, that easy. But I set my alarm just so I don't forget. We're getting there. Okay, so we've got some cheese dip in here. We've got some ground elk. We're gonna let that smoke up and melt and have a little snack before dinner. It's been 3.5 hours. It was over there. I just now moved it over here. Look at that though. Looks good. It's a little warmer on this side. I want to get the temp up to 160, then we'll wrap it up. So I did end up throwing some potatoes on there, so we'll just keep going. Okay, it is time to wrap. We're at 160 degrees. going to take my meat stick out. I'm going to wrap this. Guess I could have taken it out of this. Make sure we're wrapped all the way around. We are not. Get some more foil. Just for good measure. Wrap it like this. Get it kind of tucked in around the end. Same thing with this end. Okay. Okay, I'm going to get my meat stick back in there. Okay, remember before, you can't put the meat stick inside the foil. Okay. Put that back in there. It's time to crank it up. Okay. Nice and cranked up. And speaking of cranking up, we're going to turn the Pit Boss up to 300 degrees and get this cook going. Right. Since we just cranked it up to 300, pellets are doing okay. Just let you know I'm using the Kingsford Cherry Wood Pellets. We're just going to add a little more just to be on the safe side. Okay, here I wanted to show you the internal temp of the grill, 284 according to the Smoke IT, and the meat stick is reading 293. So they're pretty close. Okay, we're at 200 degrees. We're going to pull this off, and we're going to let it rest for about 30 minutes, and we'll cut into it. Okay, here we are. We've let it rest about 45 minutes. Take out the meat stick. Set it aside and let's get this thing unwrapped. Look at that. Take off the skewer. Next I got to get the string that I trussed it with taken off because we don't want to eat any string. Alright. So now once you got the string off, look at that. Alright, let's cut into this. Ew, just like butter. Man, let's look at it. Look at that smoke ring. Beautiful. All right, let's slice this up. I'll speed it up so you don't have to watch every slice. Look at that. Man, beautiful. Potatoes and beans. Look at that. All right. Okay, there you go. Rotisserie chuck roast. Look at that smoke ring. All right, we'll do a taste test even though we know it's going to be good. Delicious. Okay, well, this is incredible. We got the smoked jalapeno salt on there, smoked for 6 hours. We're gonna go in and enjoy this. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.